alright guys. Ayan, LeBron James. Kita nyo naman yan ha. LeBron James versus Michael Jordan. Highlights. O, ngayon, kayo na ang humusga based sa inyong mapapanood kung sino sa tingin nyo ang the GOAT. Hindi kambing ha, kundi the GOAT. G-O-A-T. The greatest of all time. So dito natin makikita ating i-compare and tingnan natin yung difference kung sino ba talaga ang the real one. Okay? So makikita natin LeBron James versus Michael Jordan highlights. So well, sa ngayon hindi muna ako magsasabi kung kanino ako papabor, pero based sa makikita nyo sa aking reaction, well, malalaman nyo na pag nag-umpisa na natin panoorin ang video na to. Doon nyo na, malalaman nyo na kung diyan ka pala na player. Sa ngayon, hindi ko muna sasabihin dito kung kanino ako pabor. Saka na, malalaman nyo na yan. Okay? So, hindi na natin ito patagalin guys. Let's watch this. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Michael Jordan feels for the game.
Ayan, kindat pa lang ni Michael Jordan. Part, goat na goat na.
Bad when you down, you ain't got no plan. It's bad when you down and you ain't got no plan.
Ay nako, predator yan. Predator. Nako. Be, tingnan natin yung posture. Ay, hindi pang booster. Hindi pwedeng pang booster. Lugi. Ito. Sold out lahat. Pang poster talaga to. Oh, yung ganun pa lang niya. Wala na. Sold out na yung ganun niya. Hindi smooth eh. Rough masyado, di ba? Ito yung smooth. Ayan yung smooth. Yun. Tingnan nyo. In your face. Pangit. Masyadong rough eh. Oh, masyadong rough, di mo alam kung ano ba nangyari, parang ang gulo. Motombok. Grabe. Muntik la. Hindi kasi yan si LeBron, hindi kasi yan ni Ernest eh. Hindi kasi yan siya lumulutang. Pag si LeBron kasi tumalon, hindi yan lumulutang. Hindi yan lumulutang sa ere. Hindi katulad nito. Yun ang lumulutang talaga. Kitang-kita mo. Tingnan mo. Ramdam na ramdam mo. Tingnan mo dyan, no? Yan yung aming iniidolo. Yan yung greatest of all time namin. Pangit talaga. Ba't ka pa sumali dyan? Pangit. Ito, ganda talaga. Ang lumulutang talaga eh. Pag yung tumatalon eh. Aabutin pang Pasko bago makalanding, di ba? Gabi yung talon, gabi yung lutang sa tingnan nyo si LeBron James, di ba? Bagsak agad, hindi lumulutang. Pero si Michael Jordan, para yung spaceship. Pag tumalo na, patas yan. Si LeBron James, pag tumalon yan, pabagsak agad yan. Mabigat kasi ang katawan niyan eh. Pangit. Predator. Ito. Oh my God! Oh, what a tongue! The tongue is open! Open to town! Black. Kahit naman ako magbantay niyan eh. Black naman talaga yan. Ayun! Yun pinakamahirap na black. Nasa likuran. Tang ines. Gabi, idol. Pa-picture naman tayo. Ano to? LeBron naman to? Pangit. Tingnan mo yung posture ni LeBron. Hindi pwedeng pang-poster. Lugi yung printing. Pangit. Lugi yung printing. Ito. Oy! Black at additional top board pa. Blinaka na nga, tinapboard pa yung bola. Putang ines. Grabe. Ay. Yun lang. Ano yun? Yun na yun? Predator? Pangit. Wannabe eh. Trying hard wannabe eh. Trying hard wannabe like Mike eh. Diba? You're trying hard to be. You're trying hard wannabe like Mike. So fucking trying hard wannabe. Diba?
Up and down. LeBron to the rim. Another one.
Kahit anong gagawin mo,
And the building is up.
hindi ka magiging si MJ. Eto na. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! The tongue is open! The tongue is open again. Oh. Masyado namang OA yung commentator.
This is just one of the game's greatest players of all time.
Tsamba lang eh, di ba? Siyempre, natural sa basketball, pag marunong kang mag-jump shot, so, ibig sabihin, mayroong chance talaga na papasok yung bola. Uy, yan, tsamba. Oh my God, this is the historical shot! Back then, in that moment, that was the historical back then. What year is this? 1993. I know this. Fuck!
A thunderous dunk.
I am pangit! What the fuck? Fast forward na yan. Walang kadating-dating talaga. Hindi pwedeng pang print. Hindi pwedeng pang poster, no? No, tingnan mo. Wala. Oh my God! Another historical shot na naman! Woo! In that moment, that was called another historical shot made by Michael Jordan. No other than
Leonard to steal. Nice advance pass. Patty Mills. Layup blocked by James. Swatted out of bounds. Already 2 block shots.
That's normal.
To go along with
normal.
12 points and 4 boards.
Ito ang another historical layup from the right to the left. This is how you do it from the right to the left. This is the historical layup ever. Teka muna. Hindi ko muna i-write ito kasi busy pa ako. Left ko na lang from the right to the left. Puta ines.
The Bulls can win it right here. The Bulls can win it. Unbelievable.
Oh my God, another one. Game 7, 1997. NBA Finals, Game 7. Historical shot again made by Michael Jordan.
The Bulls lead 87.
It's over.
With 5
It's over, man. It's over. It's over.
One stop away.
Woo!
It away.
Who is this?
James up and under.
Who is this Joker? What a clown! What a clown!
By LeBron James.
What was that move, ah? Oh my God! So Predator! Pangit! Oh, alright, it's still. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Oh! Down! Where are you, man? Oh! Earth to Pluto! Ang ina! So? Then? What? Is that it? Oh my God! Another historical dunks! Bypass with 3 people! Player pala. Oh my!
3 seconds to go. Throws up the floater. Off glass. Good
Ano yun?
Cleveland. That is for you. Another
Pangit.
indelibly etched in time.
Board.
The Cleveland
Board pa.
Cavaliers and LeBron James.
Yan ba yung highlights?
Another
Kung hindi na board, wala.
James
Ano ba yun?
winner. And
Eh,
follow up 3
yan lang, game winner. Yan yung game winner. Yan! Ay, inis. Hanap kayo ng game winner. Yan, yun, ganun. Yan yung mga game winner. Di ba? Oh.
1.5 remaining. James for the win. It's good. LeBron James at the buzzer.
Boo!
Stuns the Chicago Bulls and the series is
Yun lang.
tied at 2 games apiece.
Woo! Grabe. So, hindi obvious na alam niyo na kung kanino ako pabor, di ba? Siguro kita niyo naman kung kanino ako pabor. So, kitang-kita niyo na hindi ko na siya naiitago pa. Pag umpisa ng video doon pa lang pinakita ko na. So, that's all. That's all for today's video, guys. That's it. So, kita-kits na lang po tayo sa another na gagawin kong reaction video about dito sa mga highlights na to. Abangan nyo, medyo madami-daming mga ganitong video na i-upload ko siguro. Pero magbibisaya na naman siguro ako kasi mas feel ko yung Bisaya eh. Alright? Alright guys, so marami pong salamat. Don't forget to follow my page. Hindi pala page, profile page. Jackstasy Vlog channel is now signing out. Bye-bye!